Hi guys, welcome to my craft room. I'm Amy with Make a Memory Bear. Today's Sew With Me episode though has nothing to do with memory bears. This is a sewing video though. I have a little grandma of a dog. She's, we think, maybe 13 years old. Her name's Chuggy, and she's a senior citizen. She's got a lot of chronic health conditions. She has diabetes, she has Cushing's disease, and most recently she has developed some sort of problem with her spine. We're still trying to figure out if this is a structural, like an injury type of situation, or if she's got something neurological going on. But she's really struggling to use her back legs. They're extremely weak. She falls regularly. So I'm going to make a little sling to assist her when she needs to go outside to go potty, specifically because she really has a hard time getting down into the squat position. So that's what we're doing. And I've got a chunk of this. It's actually upholstery fabric, and so it's really soft on the side that'll be touching her skin, but it's also extremely stable and durable. So I think this will be a good material to make the actual sling out of. And I'm going to double it up to make it even more supportive, and so that there's nothing rough touching her. The other material that I'm going to need is some straps. So I have one of these old grocery bags that's seen better days. I've had it for a long time and it was super cheap. So I'm going to cut the straps off of this and repurpose it as the straps for our sling. And other than that, I think I might need a little bit of Velcro so that I can wrap the body of it around her abdomen area and Velcro it into place. But that's it. Those are my supplies, and I think I've got everything I need to get started. Okay, so here's what we have so far. And I need to sew this closed, and then I'm going to put Velcro, a strip here, and a strip here, so that it'll close like that. This will be over the top of her back. This will go under her belly. This will go back towards her hips. And I'm going to place it so that the softer side, you know how there's like a really spiky side of the Velcro and then there's the softer one. I'm going to have the spiky side on the piece that faces up on her back, and then the one that's face down and that could potentially slide or rub on her, I'll make sure that's the softer one. So that's what I'm going to do next. I'm going to switch to my walking foot because this is thick. Okay, so I've got my scratchy side of the Velcro here, soft one here. Sew those in place. Here we go. It's gonna be thick. Oh boy. Oh boy. Okay. It's looking good. Now I need to take the straps off the bag and put them on. I'm thinking about doing it like where so it goes from here, which will be towards her head, all the way back here, which is going to be more by her hip. I think that'll be the best placement. So that's next. Okay, I just pinned some straps on. And now I'm going to sew them in place. And I hope they're the right size and in the right spot. You guys, I forgot, it's supposed to have leg straps that like her back legs slip into, and that's what holds this back flap down. I totally forgot to put the leg straps on. Because this is so thick, I think I'm going to use my pinking shears and just cut one layer of this instead of doubling it up. Stand by. here we go. Okay, so final thoughts. I think she likes it. I think it's going to take her a second to get used to it, but I think she's going to like it overall. And I think it's going to help me a lot because I've been bending over so much over the last couple of days, just helping her back up and trying to support her manually. So I think having this little sling is going to help quite a bit. Where are you going? Okay, you just lay right there. So that's it for today with me. Thanks for coming along for this unexpected little project. And until I see you again, have a great day, week, month, whatever. Bye.